welcome back to our new video on why learning a new language is more important than ever. In today's globalized world, being proficient in just one language is no longer enough. With increasing globalization, it has become essential to know multiple languages, not only for personal growth but also for professional success. In the past, language skills were considered a luxury, only for the privileged few who had the time and resources to pursue them. However, in today's interconnected world, knowing multiple languages has become a necessity. With the rise of the internet, social media, and international travel, people are more connected than ever before, making language skills an essential tool for communication and cultural understanding. One of the most significant advantages of being bilingual or multilingual is the ability to communicate with people from diverse backgrounds. Knowing the language of the people you interact with allows you to understand their perspectives, values, and beliefs better. This, in turn, can help build deeper connections and establish trust, leading to better relationships and improved outcomes. Moreover, in today's globalized economy, language skills can be a significant advantage in the job market. Companies that operate globally often seek employees with language skills, particularly those who can speak languages such as Spanish, Mandarin, or Arabic. This is because language skills can help businesses expand into new markets, negotiate with international clients, and navigate complex legal and regulatory environments. According to a report by the New American Economy, demand for bilingual workers in the United States has more than doubled in the last 5 years. The report also found that bilingual workers earn on average 5 to 20% more per hour than their monolingual counterparts. This highlights the importance of language skills not only for professional success but also for economic mobility. In addition to career benefits, learning a new language has numerous personal and cognitive benefits. Research has shown that bilingual individuals have better problem-solving, decision-making, and multitasking skills compared to monolingual individuals. This is because learning a new language requires the brain to become more flexible and adapt to new rules and structures. Moreover, being bilingual or multilingual can help delay the onset of age-related cognitive decline. A study by the University of Edinburgh found that bilingual individuals performed better on cognitive tests than monolingual individuals and were diagnosed with dementia on average 4.5 years later. This suggests that learning a new language can have significant long-term benefits for brain health and cognitive function. Learning a new language can also be an enriching experience that broadens your horizons and exposes you to new perspectives. As you learn a new language, you also learn about the customs, traditions, and way of life of the people who speak it. This can provide a deeper understanding and appreciation of different cultures and ways of living. Furthermore, learning a new language can be a great way to travel and explore new places. When choosing a language to learn, it's essential to consider your personal or professional goals. For example, if you are planning to work in the healthcare industry, learning Spanish can be a valuable asset as it is the second most spoken language in the United States. Similarly, if you are interested in working for a company that operates in Asia, learning Mandarin or Japanese can give you a significant advantage. Learning a new language can seem daunting, but there are numerous resources available to help make the process easier. Language learning apps such as Duolingo and Babbel can be a great way to get started, while immersion programs and language schools can provide more intensive learning experiences. It's also important to practice speaking and listening as much as possible, as this is the best way to become fluent in a language. In conclusion, learning a new language is more important than ever in today's globalized world. It can provide numerous personal and professional benefits, such as better communication, improved job prospects, and cognitive advantages. Moreover, it can broaden your horizons, enrich your travel experiences, and deepen your understanding and appreciation of different cultures. Whether you are learning a new language for personal or professional reasons, there are numerous resources available to help you achieve your goals. So why not take the leap and start learning a new language today? It could be one of the best investments you make for your future. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching.